Pexels is a really great resource during our class in order to get royalty-free images that other photographers have given up to the photographic community to use for either editing, compositing, or actually to use in different projects. On Pexels, you're going to find a lot of images that are actually already quite nice. They're edited very nicely. We will mainly use Pexels just to grab an image quickly if we want to use something fast in order to practice an editing technique. In this case, what I would like you to do is grab something that is nice and simple. So a simple composition like this of the cat would be good. These roses or flowers would also be good. You can actually search for a type of photo that you want right up here. I'm going to search for flowers. And here are images that people have contributed to use. This image right here would be a great one to use for our practice, or this one as well. Once you choose an image that we're going to use, maybe I'll choose this one today, you click on the image and you'll be directed here, and we're going to come here to free download and click our download. On your computer, you're going to find that in your downloads folder. On my Mac, it pops up in my downloads. If you're on PC, you will need to go to your downloads folder there, and then you will have your image in order to use in whatever we're doing.